My heart is crying with um, joy.
I'm very excited. This has been a blessing.
Bath Fitters is a company that cares.
It's priceless.
So how this project came about doing Mrs. Taylor's bathroom is that several months ago, our sales consultant, Oral McDonald, came to see me, and he said, I did an estimate for Mrs. Taylor. She's ready to go ahead with the project. And 1 or 2 days later, when he followed up with her, unfortunately, her air conditioning unit broke down. And Mrs. Taylor's son, Brian, is afflicted with MS and needs air conditioning in the home at all times. So she had to turn down our project of redoing her bathroom, which was a very important project for her because Brian needs that tub converted into a shower in order to be able to shower adequately. My heart went out to this family, and I said that we need to do something, absolutely.
I said, Bath Fitters said that they're gonna give it to me for free. I don't believe that. And so I started crying because I just could not believe. I said, are you telling the truth?
I was shocked. You know, people don't really to give people things like that. And it's so bad for to come in and assist my mom, you know what I'm saying? We have a lot going on in life. You know.
Couldn't sleep last night for thinking, is this really gonna happen today? And now Bath Fitters is here putting in the shower.
Doing this conversion for the family really brings a lot of joy to me because that's my favorite part of the job is when I'm finished and they come in and look at everything and the smile on their face makes me enjoy my job that much more.
Of course it's important for businesses to give back to the community because when it all comes down to it, a business is nothing without the people that come to us. So giving back is just paying it forward.
It's a motivator when you throw the project out to the team and everybody steps up to the plate and says, I want to get involved, I want to help. It really helps bring a team together and make a better Bath Fitter team. So it's a win-win situation all the way around.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Jill, isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness! Oh my God!
Thank you, Bath Fitter. I really appreciate it.
I just thank Bath Fitters from the bottom of my heart. Every time I think about it, I have to almost cry.
Who would have ever thought somebody would come in and help me get a walk-in shower? I never thought this would happen. I feel like I've been blessed.